Penang-based tech company Foundpack is our stock in focus today. JF Apex Research is keeping its buy call on the counter, though it cut its target price to 92 sen from 1 ringgit 8 sen. The stock last closed at 81 sen. So for FY21, Foundpack booked revenue of 49 million ringgit, down 4% year-on-year, and PATAMI of 11.6 million ringgit, down 27.6% from the previous year. JF Apex says the company's full-year earnings were in line with its in-house forecast of 11.5 million ringgit, but it points out that Foundpack's gross profit margin in the fourth quarter fell to 43% due to the higher cost of input materials. Sales to Europe were also down, though that was partially offset by higher orders from North America. As for Foundpack's outlook, JF Apex expects the acquisition of the remaining interest in Dynamic Stencil to boost its performance. Meanwhile, the automotive segment is seen contributing positively to earnings in the calendar year 2022, underpinned by a 6% growth in total industry volume next year. With the advent of 5G, it is also benefiting from the inflated demand for semiconductors and chips, coupled with the robust capex of industry players. Foundpack's profit margin is also expected to recover with the recent stabilization of raw material prices. JF Apex cut its earnings forecast for FY22 to 14.7 million ringgit from 17.2 million ringgit after lowering its sales assumption and introduced an earnings forecast for FY23 of 16.7 million ringgit. It says Foundpack's valuation is undemanding compared to other tech stocks which are currently trading at 30 to 45 times forward PE. So what's the consensus? It looks like JF Apex is the only research house with Foundpack in its stock universe. So that's one buy, target price 92 sen. Foundpack last closed at 81 cents, so that's a potential upside of roughly 13%.